What's up? Ngayon ay nagbibuild lang ako ng
Red Creeper, the Red Creeper.
Yep. Gumagawa lang ako ng aking bahay dito sa Big Hole.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yep. Well, tingnan mo. Wala na kasi akong magawa, so...
Punta ako sa Big Hole.
No!
Matutulog na ako.
Nagmo-multiplayer kami ni Yus eh. If you guys just know...
Please subscribe to my channel and to the Red Creeper.
First of all, do not subscribe to him, subscribe to me.
You are so a big car. Please subscribe to my
Don't
channel.
subscribe to his channel.
It's
All
all to my channel.
All of his videos is boring.
No, it's good. But I'm pretty. Nah, I'm just gonna eat. Yeah,
Yus, pwede ka mag-Tagalog balik.
Okay,
Sorry at magtatahimik muna kami ngayon. Hindi mo na ako magsasalita.
Yum, yum, yum. Hindi ko na. Mag-sleep ka na.
Fortran is a new and exciting language.
Yus, huwag ka tumingin sa akin.
It is exciting as it is the way of the
yung normal eh. And everybody smile. Everybody smile.
make a wish. You need to get you
Yeah, it's morning, yeah. Trying to get to the PS home.
No, don't you dare, Yus. What the heck is this?
I see you.
must have invited him.
Yung mga kulay ng sulat.
I know that you were here. Let's go to... Yan ka lang sa mountain. Please.
I owe you an apology.
Well, was that it?
Go out dance. Great, I said we spoke the other day. Been away for a long time. Imagine I'm just at practice. I was hoping you'd allow me to start over. See, the thing is,
I don't see you, okay?
you know better.
It's so dark. Ay,
Dark.
You want tough customer.
I don't see you. Just go. Mag-stop ka lang.
Pag pumunta ka sa house ko na naka-explode, makikita mo may terrace doon.
Sorry, Kat.
Yus. Pumunta ka sa house mong naka-explode, tapos pag tumingin ka sa may sirang mountain, ay sa may mountain,
No, I don't imagine.
Yus, wag ka magdig!
Okay, babalik ko. Stone.
Alis ka na sa house ko, please.
Okay. Bedrock.
Nalagay ko na dyan. Yus, ano ba? Wag ka na umalis. Please.
Russian naman talaga ako ng Hindi, pero sila. Una talaga dyan Russian.
Yus, ano ba? Ba't mo ito tinakpan? Umalis ka nga sa house ko. Huwag ka na pumunta dito ah. Kundi maglilift na talaga ako. Nakakainis yun.
Uy! Na.
Gusto sa Iyus. Huwag ka na pumunta sa house ko, Iyus, or
I'm
else.
sure everyone's probably anxious to just go
Pwede
home.
sorry na, weirdo.
Just have to ask the question.
Nakaalis na talaga ako.
Wag.
Same one. I've been asking myself all
Don't go in the mountains, or else.
how the hell did we find ourselves in second place in two games? Anybody?
I'm kidding.
Paul?
Where are
I
you?
think Glenn said it pretty well.
If you kill me,
I have to
maglilive ako dito kung alam mo
think
lang.
Wag.
because I
Stash
think the
in mo ako.
Russians are smarter
Hindi
than
naman pwede yun, buddy.
technology.
Iyus, huwag ka sa house ko. Kita ka eh.
That was that possible.
Hindi.
Possible that it
Nag-uwi.
actually means
Kahit kung find ako ng way,
No,
sana akong makalive sa mountain na to.
I'm not on some epic joyride.
Where am I gonna live?
We weren't sure that we can get there.
Iyus. Ay, wala. Grabe.
So it's right now.
Naglagay ka ng mga torch dito.
Hindi ko alam kung... Para makita ako.
Ay, naku, Iyus. I hate you very much. Saan ka na? Umalis ka na dito. Ba't ka na mag-dig?
Okay.
Oh!
Wag.
Hindi ka punta dito. Ayoko na nga. Ayos na.
Wag. Wag kang mag-leave. Aalis na nga ako dito
Sige,
eh.
umalis ka.
Alis.
Tingnan mo, Iyus. May gagawin akong bad.
Ano ka agad ng muso? Wala na yan.
Hey, there's a door here.
No! Do not touch it. Do
Okay.
not touch anything.
Okay, you're never gonna go to your house. Ever again. Because you said it. Ito, kiki. This house, no house, Ate Pia. Huh?
Look at what I'm holding, Iyus. Look at me. Look at what I'm holding. Din.
Ikaw nagsulat nito? Si Yus house ang nakalagay.
Hindi, ba't mo
Ala, sino nag...
Iyus, tingnan mo hawak ko.
Ano? No, wag!
Yeah.
Don't you dare go to my house or else.
E di lagyan mo ng sign, Yus don't go here. Only Pia.
Nakakainis ka na. Huwag ka na pupunta dito ah.
Okay, ilagyan mo ng sign. Craft na lang ako. Of all ingredients. You don't...
So, which one of you wants to go first?
Sorry. Tinato. Join.
IBM.
I have a cobblestone wall. Something.
The IBM 7090 data processing system. It has the capability of solving over 24,000 multiplications per second.
Holy Moses, that's lightning fast. They'll never get that to work.
It'll run eventually, and when it does, we have to know how to program it. We'll have to be out of a job. Mr. Z,
So, for finding what you're doing in your house.
Wag, and wag.
Hindi. Look at this.
storage unit and information.
No.
I'm building.
Isa pang player.
Sino?
May nakikita akong dalawang name tag.
Ha?
Yes, look. Ayun
The
ang
red
dalawang
creeper,
name
the
tag.
red creeper. Ha? Sino gumaya? What? Saan yun? Punta ka sa house mo, baka andyan siya.
Tingnan ko yun.
Communicate on
Sino yun? What the heck? Punta ako sa taas. Sino siya? Ha? Ayun o, nakita ko sa taas.
Where is she?
What the heck? Kinaya niya yung skin mo.
Ah, hindi Hindi,
Kinaya yung skin mo.
Use ako yung lumilipad. Ano ba ako yun?
Ah, sino siya? Sino yun?
Glitch lang yun.
Hindi,
Glitch yun.
ayaw
Use.
nga no. Kanina mayroon no. Mysterious.
Glitch.
Oh. Okay. Torch. 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 Torch.
What the hell have you been?
Use, bigla ako nag-teleport sa house mo. Tingnan mo. At yung back.
What the heck?
Where the hell did you
May
go?
teleport device ako eh.
Gumagawa ako ng ng pang-watch kung anong ginagawa mo sa mountain house mo.
40 minutes a
Teleport
day?
ka sa house mo.
Yung
Not
survival mo ko faster.
Okay. Slash
I'm
game.
serious. I put a lot of faith in you.
Faster.
Ano? Sabi ng ghost,
Faster.
There's no bathroom for you.
There
baka
is no
gusto lang niya manood sa atin.
There are no colored bathrooms in
Dito
this
daw
building
niya.
or any building outside the West.
Daw niya manood sa atin.
Baliw talaga.
Did you know that?
Yes, baka may sakit
I
yun eh.
have to walk to 10
O kaya ang
minutes
mga
just to relieve
nakikipag-usap
myself.
sa mga ghost may
And I
mga
can't
sakit
use one
yun.
handy device. Picture that, Mr. Harrison. My uniform, skirt below my knees, my heels, simple string of pearls. Well, I don't own pearls. Lord knows you don't pay colors enough to afford pearls.
Huh? Where are you?
And I
Before-
work like
I
a
just
dog.
hit you
day
from my
and night.
house. What the
Living
heck?
off a coffee
Nag-teleport
from a
na
pot
ako.
that I don't want to touch.
Yung wag mo ko i-ano ah. Pag sinabi kong i-ano mo na ako.
Excuse me if I have to go to the restroom a few times a day.
Use. Nakaano ka? Nakaano ba to?
Naka-
Creative mode yung world na to. I-survival mo yung world na to. Yung sa ano talaga options. Sa options.
Settings, hindi options.
Parehas lang yun.
Survival nga to, oh. Survival.
Ito. Survival. Personal game mode. Ito dapat creative. Survival.
Default game mode. Always di ko lang.
No.
Okay. Always stay off.
Usually, live ka sa world mo tapos gawin mong survival ang pinaka-game mode.
Okay.
Personal game mode mo lang kasi yun eh.
Final toilet. Go wherever you down with the police. Before we can shoot your dash.
Creative part.
Bye guys!